Good morning everyone. I am going to give a seminar on natural resources and its conservation. So let's see what are natural resources. Natural resources are materials and resources that come from the earth including water, soil, forests and minerals. In short we can say our daily needs or the things which are required for our living. Here are some examples of natural resources: land resources, animal resources, water resources, precious metals, minerals, rocks, forest resources, natural gas, wind power and solar energy, and crude oil. There are basically two types of natural resources: renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are resources that can be replenished naturally over time. For example, sunlight, water, wind, and geothermal energy. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that cannot be replaced once they are used up. They are finite and take billions of years to form. For example, oil, natural gas, coal, and nuclear energy. Renewable resources, the resources which can be created again if they are finished. So we can use this, or we can say they are unlimited. And non-renewable resources are the resources which cannot be created, or they take very long time to be created. Here are some examples of renewable resources: solar energy, geothermal energy, hydropower, biomass and wind energy. Some examples of non-renewable resources: oil, nuclear energy, natural gas and coal. So, conservation of natural resources is very important, because natural resource conservation is the practice of managing and using natural resources in a sustainable way. This includes activities that help prevent the destruction of the environment and maintain ecological balance. So, here are some ways to conserve natural resources. First one is use of alternative sources of power such as solar and wind energy. Solar and wind energy are renewable natural resources. So if we use these resources, the non-renewable natural resources will be saved, and our next generations can use them. The second way is plant trees to prevent soil erosion. We should plant more trees to prevent soil erosion. The third way is to ensure recycling of waste. There are three R's in the environment: reduce and recycle. So we should recycle the waste, so the waste can be recycled and used again and again. Make use of electronic mails. We can use electronic mails to prevent the use of paper, which can save the trees. Then use pipeline to transport oil. We should use pipeline to transport oil, which can prevent the water pollution and other pollution. Thank you.
Good.